Full morning everyone. So as I told you in my last video, I retired at 52. I had anxiety at 47, which made me realize that I cannot last in that job until I'm 60, which is the retirement age. So how I had anxiety, I was feeling pain on my head, on my ear, on my tooth. So I consulted different doctors of those symptoms. So they gave me different medicines, different doctor, different medicines. The pain would go away for a week while drinking the medicine. After drinking the medicine, the pain comes back. So I googled, I looked for those symptoms, and I saw that it was anxiety. And I look for natural ways to deal with anxiety. I always found yoga and meditation, and then I googled for yoga and meditation near me, and so I found one which is really nice. So I've been with them for 7 years. It also helped me a lot have spiritual awakening, clarity, and all that. So this is what I do every morning now. I walk for my health. I also do yoga and meditation after this, and my mind has never been so clear. My life has never been so peaceful. So retiring early was really a good decision for me. Like, I have that time to take care of myself. And then also studying personal development and financial literacy allowed me to live the life I have now, which is I really love. I mean, this is the most peaceful, the happiest I have ever been. I mean, I love my solitude, although I have someone helping me around the house, but you know, I can go anywhere. I can go at the waterfall falls near me, at the stream near me, whenever I want. Well, I can do actually whatever I want if I want to. I continue to learn. I have books at home. I watch YouTube videos. I still want some things in my life. I will not stop just because I retired. Although I'm doing it a bit slowly this time, not unlike before when I was in my 9 to 5 job, which I had a lot of pressure and I had to deal with that constantly every day. Now I have time to relax. I study, I learn, I'm open to learning, I'm grateful every day for every little things in my life. So that's the secret of having a peaceful life. Cultivating inner peace, gratitude, all those high frequency vibrations, love, peace, joy, you know. Do not dwell on negativity, envy, jealousy. Do not dwell in that. You will attract more of that. You attract more of what you are, not what you want. So cultivate yourself first. Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. This is my third video. I'm just enjoying it. I don't know if somebody will watch it or not, but I hope if you watch it, you get something from it. You have the capacity to do the things that you want. If you want to retire, you focus on that. If you want a healthy body, you focus on that. And you have to take care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Financial will come. God will provide. I assure you that. Also listen to your higher self. What is it telling you? What is it that it wants? Because we are two parts. We are body and soul. So you have to listen to that one. It is seldom mistaken. So that's my secret for now that I will share. I will share more about financial literacy, everything else, and I hope somebody who needs to hear it will learn from it. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone.